Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's see, grades. And I'll open it with Notepad. And also open it with Google Chrome. Okay, enter your grades for each category. 3, 4, 5. Click Find Average. And go to Developer Tools. And that's interesting. No error. Just not working. Huh. Let's take a look. Let's see. Homework. Input find value. On click, show average home. Show average. Show average. Let me look in average.js. Excuse me. Here it is. Show average home. Okay, now what this is doing is home is a parameter you're passing. So you don't want to declare it here. So let me get rid of that. And you don't want to assign it here. If you do want to assign it there, what you want to do is what do you want to do? Okay, if we're passing in type the type like this, let's do an alert just to see what the type is coming in as. Okay, so let me save that. Come over here and refresh this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, object says object HTML input element. That means that it's coming in, not passing it. That's because, think about it. Over here, you're passing in, where are you passing in? You're passing in home as if this is a variable. What you want to pass in is you want to pass in like a string. Okay, so let me go save this. 2, 3, 4. And see it's coming in as home now. Okay. So since I know that's coming in correctly, here you could have an if statement. You could say if the type is equal to home. If so, then I'm going to do this bit of code here. Okay. Get element by ID home.value. Probably don't want to set it equal to home. Let's say nums. And then this would be nums split. Okay. String array. Home average is equal to average of num array. Okay, well let's see if I have any errors to begin with. And then we'll start breaking it down. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Nothing. Let me come down to here. Now you're setting it equal to this value. Is that what that? Yeah, that value's home. So okay, that's correct. So let me print off nums here. Alert nums. Let's print off string array. Let's print off num array. And let's print off average. Okay. Refresh that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that looks correct. Bring in the numbers. Click OK. 2, 3, 4. I would have expected that to split it. But maybe it does, and that's how it displays it. 2, 3, 4, 3. The average is 3. Okay, that looks correct. Except for you spelled value wrong. What about that didn't give you an error? Value. Might be value or text. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so refresh this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3. Okay. 5, 1, 7. What would that be? 8, 13. 13 divided by 3 is 4 point something. Yep. Okay, so looks like that's working. Now what you're going to do, now I'll get you started on this, is that's if the type is equal to home. But you'll have other checks where you'll say the type is equal to lab, for example. And then you'll copy this code here, and you do the appropriate modifications for lab. Now, when I say checking to see if it's equal to lab, what I'm talking about is right here, you're going to pass in lab as a string. Down here, you'll pass in mid, whatever that is, midterm, yeah, midterm, as a string. And down here, you'll pass in fin as a string. And then you'll have a set of if statements for each type that comes in. But anyway, that's one way to fix that problem you're having.